First 5 minutes in the first period of 30 minutes, 2-1 to Pakistan. Age-old rivalry on a new field. 7 aside, 6 field players plus 1 goalkeeper. Some good movement. And a powerful throw that was. Then approaching the attacker, the Indian defense. The whistle comes on. But couldn't quite catch it well. Won't help to just keep passing the ball. You've got to go in. There comes an opportunity. That's how you do it. Penetrate the defense, whichever way you can, or however you can. Found an angle, found a mate right in front, off the goal. In it goes. That's the second goal for India. The 9th minute of play. India's got to sort its defense out. Well, for now, it looks like the Pakistanis are toying with the Indian defense. Lots of good play through the wings there for Pakistan. India's got to sort it out. I've seen that happen on 3 occasions in the last 2 minutes. Shahid there using his excellent interception. This one should be an easy finish. Yes, it is. Tries the dodge. Gets it in on the second attempt. The Indians starting to turn it on now. Superb interception that. And the finish was so cool. Have a look at this. Runs with great speed, keeps bouncing it. That's the fake, and the second attempt. The biggest threat, the number 5, being marked by 2 players, as you can see, which leaves open space for number 15. Excellent save there. Scores 11. We're in the 13th minute of the first period. Good half a save, not good enough to stop that goal. With that right-hander from Asim. The ball for 6 minutes rather. It looked like the Pakistanis are running away. What just happened there? Hope he hasn't injured himself. Asim there. Tried to go aerial, but was stopped in his blocks. That is the 7-meter throw. A bit like a penalty. Oops, hits the goal post. What a miss. Was he casual there? Invariably, the attacker does not miss such opportunities. The goalkeeper didn't quite get fooled by the first dodge. Stood there calm, and that modern handball is of course played on a court of 40 by 20. Tried something cute, wasn't going to work. The Pakistanis on a turnover. This one should be a goal. Yes, it is. The goalkeeper looked helpless. There was no support from the defense. There was no wall in front of him, because this was a quick turnover. Second-meter shot into the goal post. Greenwich in the top left corner. Well, the Pakistani goalkeeper guessed right. He was almost there. Cannot travel with the ball. Gets it into the goal post. Took flight right at the edge of that 6-meter area. Have a look at that once again. There he is in the air, and then that finish from Aditya. From the distance. No. Is that going to be a 6-meter throw? A free throw? Will it be? The idea was right from Deepak. Karamjeet. Look at that. Much better ball control. And what do I say about the finish? Just perfect. Perhaps the Indians need to slow down the game a little bit. Delay the Pakistani finish. India, good pass, good angle. Oh, tried the lob. Excellent interception there. That is acrobatic stuff. That should pump up the Indians. A lob Superb interception. Have a look at this play. This is the moment of the match so far. Ricocheting off the crossbar. Aditya. That touch was alert, awake, aware of the opportunity. Aerial shot blocked. Turnover. India. Should be an easy conversion. Will it be? Yes, it will. Cool as an ice cube. Greenwich, the other threat now, apart from Aditya. Lots of high fives. Waited, did not panic. No, yes, he goes then. He looks even prettier. Minutes away from the whistle coming on to signal the end of the first period. Before that, the Pakistanis will have another slice, another taste, another swipe at the goal. And with that, we've come to the end of the first period. The Indians in the lead. Exciting second period coming up in just a bit. On the Sony 10 Sports Network, let's see how fluid India are. The suspension still on. 15 seconds to go. India have not scored a single goal. Now they have. It should have been 2 or 3 at least. And within 5 seconds, the Pakistanis will have their 6th field player. Clearly opens up spaces. We're into the 5th minute of play. India still in the lead. A lot rests on Aditya and Greenwich. That's how you make things happen. Goal post, 3 by 2 meters. Cannot hold the ball for more than 3 seconds. Shahid, who's just come in, is fresh, full of energy, is pumped up, comes in, scores, and goes back. To add some strength to the defense, came in, did his job, and said, off I go. Have a look at that. Oops, loses the ball, but no chance of a turnover. Regains possession very quickly. Pakistan, good pass at the number 10. Oh, straight at the throat of the goalkeeper. But there will be a throw. 7-meter throw fails. The goalkeeper guesses correctly. Can India convert? Looks like they will. Oh, come on, no. Naveen there. Too cute to be effective. The first dodge couldn't fool the goalkeeper. Saw that bluff. Guessed it right. Now India score. Back in the lead by a single point, by a single goal correction. Somehow made his way through, wading through a sea of Pakistani defenders. Jumps up, a bit like basketball. Now there's some movement, interception from the Pakistanis. India playing with just 5 players. Open space, first wave, fails. Well done to the goalkeeper. That first wave attack not working. Perhaps a touch casual there, the Pakistanis. Have a look at this. Should have been a lot more focused. Perhaps should have waited for a second. In a bit of a hurry, and he made an absolute mess of it. The coach, Mohammad Shoaib, not happy. The Indian attack goes missing. But the Pakistanis this time will not make a mess of it. No Muzammil, no problem. There are others as well who can do the scoring. No players wear any protective gear in this sport. 24 apiece. With a minute to go in that 2-minute suspension. A 7-meter throw for Greenwich. And he's not going to miss any tonight. To the right, to the left correction, stamping their own authority, leaving their own mark in the sport. Shahid, he's been the dark horse, passes the ball. The shot not quite going through from the number 5. 2 shots that he's missed. One with the left, one with the right. Cannot just rely. Oh, excellent diagonal ball there. Brilliant assist. Cross court, making the Indians think. Oh, they changed the line of attack. The number 5, Naveen. Has India found a new hero here? The lead now 2 goals. 27-25 the score. Brilliantly done, Naveen. If you can stop Aditya, you'll have to then, because through the center the attack is not working. Aditya finally has the ball, but 1-on-2. Aditya unable to penetrate. Can Deepak do so? No. Time's running out. 20 seconds to go. The Indians still with the ball. Deepak with the ball. Now Naveen comes in. It's the goal. Will that be the winner? Pakistanis now have the ball. Desperation. Atul in the goal post. Can they stop the Pakistanis from scoring now? Misses that goal, and India have the win. They clinch a win in the final seconds. How crucial was that goal from Naveen? The Pakistanis had made a plan for Aditya, not for Naveen, and that brilliant finish giving India the win. What a sensational game we've had.